Have you ever tried cowpea stew with fluffy rice cooked the simple homemade way? This meal is full of flavor and affordable. Watch until the end and see how soft and tasty it turns out. I start with cleaning my cowpeas. I press cowpeas into a basin and add in water and wash it until it runs clean. Next, I place it into a cooking pot. Next, I add in water. I cover the pot and I let it boil for at least 45 minutes over charcoal stove. So this is our cowpeas after boiling it. So the next step, we are going to wash our rice. We have to make sure we wash it until water runs clear. I place it into a cooking pot. I add in water. I sprinkle a pinch of salt for taste. Add in little amount of cooking oil. I cover the pot and let it boil for 15 minutes. Our rice is ready, as you can see. Cowpeas recipe, we have curry powder, green pepper, coriander, tomatoes and carrots. So let us start. I heat some oil in a pan. I add in onions and saute until soft. After onions getting soft, I add in my carrots. This adds color and sweetness. Now let us give it a little stir. Next, I add in curry powder. I add in tomatoes and give it a little stir. I sprinkle a pinch of salt for taste. After my tomato base getting ready or soft, I add in my cowpeas. I give it a little stir again. Next, I add in my reserved soup for cowpeas that remained. I stir in. Next, I add in green pepper for flavor. I add in coriander for color and taste. Our delicious meal is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel in order to support the channel. So guys, watch until the end. Don't skip ads. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Wednesday 5:45 p.m. East African time.